Cotton candy is made by our machine. The taste is much better than handmade. Hello everyone, I am from Guangzhou Chuanbo Technology. Customers put cotton candy vending machines in the mall to earn money. Let's take a look together. Our machine is making cotton candies, fully enclosed to make sugar clean and hygienic. Just wiggle it over 1分钟 used to make the cotton candy. The cotton candy is finished and sent out of the sugar extraction compartment. Automatic door raised.
Take out our cotton candies and taste.
If you are interested, you can contact us.